after the Chinese government had a video of singer Abdurrahim Hayat made and published to prove his well-being, some Uyghurs started the hashtag #MeTooUyghur internet campaign. The action calls on Chinese officials to produce videos of their detained relatives. The action finds worldwide support from Uyghurs and non-Uyghurs. The president of the Uyghur World Congress, Dolun Isa, traveled to the United States for important meetings. He was assisted by the vice president of the Uyghur World Congress, Ömer Katan, as well as Nur Tekel, a lawyer and president for a Uyghur human rights project. Isa paid a visit to the State Department and the White House, attended events and communicated with congressmen. He also visited the Washington Post, where he answered questions in an interview about the current situation. Khalil Ibrahim Oral, a member of the Turkish Parliament's Good Party, calls for an independent investigation of the case of singer Abdurrahim Hayat, who was considered dead earlier this year. Then China released a video of Hayat. The Member of Parliament now wants to know if the Foreign Ministry wants to work for Hayat or not. A former intelligence expert of the US Air Force is suspected of having spied for Iran. American lawyers are preparing a case against Monica Elfriede Witt for allegedly leaking internal knowledge and investigations into former employees to the Tehran government. US officials describe the situation as a betrayal of national security, the US Army, and the American people. The second round of the independence referendum of the Moro Muslim minority in the Philippines is officially over. The majority of Cotabato voted in favor of connecting to the Muslim Autonomous Region.